to shine. Bath time's here and you're doing fine. I played all day and I smell so funky. Time to get clean, don't be a chunky monkey. Run the water, warm, warm, warm. Bubbles rising, here comes the storm. Step right in, 1 foot then 2. The water's cozy, it's made for you. When you're all dirty, what do you do? Jump in the bath. When the bubbles come, what do you say? Scrub, scrub, scrub. Hip, hip, hooray! Whose clean kid moment is starting today? Mine is, let's go play! Splish, splash, splish, we're washing up. Fill it up, fill our cup. Scrub your tummy, scrub your toes. Wash your ears and wash your nose. Rinse it off, whoosh! Feels so clean, sparkling fresh. What does that mean? It means you are shining bright. Bath time done, you did it right. Grab the sponge and squeeze it tight. Squish! Scrub my elbows, that's my wish. Shampoo time, here we go. Rub it in and watch it grow. Suds are rising, what a tower. I feel like I'm in a bubble shower. Rinse it down, water falls. Clean, clean hair, best of all.